Hello guys, welcome back. This is Viren Kumar. So today in this video session of the GitHub, we are going to see that how to access the github.com, and then we will create an account on the github.com, or you can see this is the sign up process for the github.com. So to sign up on the github.com, you need a valid email ID in your hand before going to create an account on the github.com. After this, once you successfully sign up on the github.com, then we will verify our email address, and then when we have the homepage of the github.com where we will create a repository. Okay, the new repository how to create on the github.com, that I will show, and after that I will create a project, demo project on the github.com to show how we can create a project on the github.com. After that we will add the files under the repository, how we can add the files and what are the ways to add the files on the github.com, and how to commit the changes, or what is the commit command and changes. So this is the agenda for the today's video session, so you can watch and enjoy this video. And if you want me to follow on the Facebook, if you have any query regarding the automation, you can follow me on the Facebook, and please subscribe my channel on the YouTube to get the latest video on the automation testing. And want me to follow on the Instagram, you can follow the Viren automation testing. Okay, these are the follow links. So let's get started with the video. So to create an account on the GitHub, first you have to go to the GitHub official website. So on the Google, you can type the github.com, then it will open the GitHub official website. So this is the GitHub official website where we have to do the sign up. So to the sign up for the GitHub, you have to provide the email address. Once you provide your email ID, then you can click on sign up for GitHub. Now it will ask you the username and the password. The username is for your account on the GitHub, and password you can select the password. Okay. The personalization. Okay, so now you have the account on the github.com. You can verify your email address by clicking on this one. If you have signed up on the github.com, then you have to validate your email address. So you log into your email address, and there you will get a mail, and there you can validate your email ID. Okay, after that you can provide the password and the username which you have provided in this uh, sign up process, that you can provide, and you can log into the github.com. So now the next task is that I want to create a repository, okay, on the github.com, okay, where I can keep my code. Okay, so you can see the plus sign is there. Under there you can click on the new repository. Okay, and owner is this one, and you can provide the repository name. I will provide the repository name like test. Okay, under test auto test automation. So under test automation, this is the repository name, and this I want to make it the public. Okay, and initialize the repository with, and I can add a readme file, I can add a git ignore, and I can, no, I don't want to choose a license, no, git ignore. Okay, so you want the git ignore, that means no, I'll keep it like this, and then I click on the create repository. Okay, this is my one repository name is the test automation. Okay, under this repository I have the one file readme, initial commit is there. So in there you can see the few tabs on the screen. So this is the issues, pull request, actions, projects, AK security inside and the settings. Okay. So but when I click on the project, there is no project for this one. Okay, this for this repository. Now what I will do, I will create a project. Okay, project board name. So this will show how you can create the project. So I will create a project. The name of the project is a test project. You can provide the this is demo project. Okay. Then you can select the project template. None start from the scratch, and then I will create a project. Okay, under this repository I have the one project. In this repository I can add a file. Code you have this URL. We will use this URL to clone this repository on our local system, and then we have the add file, so you can add or upload the file. So when you click on upload the files, if you have already a few files that you want to upload on the GitHub, you can upload file from here. Then commit changes, you can provide the your message and you say commit changes. Okay, then your file will upload here. So let's say if I have another file, so I will choose one file from my local system. So let's say I have this file. Okay, and this file I will open, and then I will say test file. The commit message is test file and commit directly to the main branch. Okay, so I'm going to create the main branch, and this is going to commit. So you can say the one file is added to my this repository. Okay, this is my repository, and if I want to add a new file, so I will just create a new file, and I will say test new file. Okay, then I will provide one message, this is demo file. Okay, and then I will say the commit message test and commit to the new file. So now you can see that there are the two files under this repository. Okay, so this much task is done. Okay, now what is the next task I will show you. Okay, so this much you have done. So next we will configure with the Eclipse. So now how we can push and pull the code to the Eclipse. Okay, so this process I will explain in the next video. So till now what we have learned, we have signed up the user for the github.com. This is a free code source repository. Then we create a one repository, that create the repository, and we have added the one project under this repository. This is a test project, and then we have added the few code. So we have added the few files from here. Okay, this is the initial commit.